So you have a Roku Streambar and you have an issue with your sound or audio. Maybe you have no sound, maybe you have like delayed or out of sync, or maybe the audio cuts in and out when you're watching a movie or like an app, or maybe the sound or audio sounds kind of funny or weird. Maybe it's like echoing. Anyway, I'm going to give you guys a bunch of solutions to get you up and running right now. And by the end of this video, most of you guys should be up and running, okay? Now, first thing is this. For those of you that don't have any sound, you know that there's a mute button on the remote right here, okay? It's mute on or off, okay? Another thing is go to your home screen, and then we want to go down to settings. Then we want to move over to the right, and then we're going to go down to audio right here. Now move over to the right here, and under menu volume, move over to the right again. Make sure you don't have it on off, okay? Go back to at least like low, medium, or high. By default, it's on medium, okay? Now, next step for all the other audio issues is what we want to do is we want to go ahead and restart a Roku Streambar by using a special combination on our remote, okay? So follow along, okay? So you got the Roku is on right now. Grab the remote, and the combination is this. The home button is here, okay? Home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. Let's do it together. Home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. Now leave it just like this. You can kind of see it had a mind of its own. This will stay here for about 15 seconds, and eventually it's going to restart. Once it's booted back up, go ahead and see if you no longer have any kind of audio issues or whatnot, okay? Now, if you still do, we're going to go to the next possible solution. So next thing we're going to try is make sure your TV is turned on. Make sure you see you're on the correct HDMI with Roku here. Now, while everything is on, go to your power plug wherever your TV is plugged into. My TV is plugged into here, and just pull it out. Wait 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in, turn on your TV and your Streambar, and see if you no longer have any audio issues. If you still do, we're going to go to the next possible solution. Next thing we're going to try here is we're going to try to do a performance software update, and hopefully you have a software update, okay? So go ahead and click on the home button to the home screen. We're going to go down to settings. Now we're going to move over to the right, and now we're going to go all the way down to system right here. Now go ahead and move over to the right. And now simply just go ahead and go down until you see system update, okay? Click on OK, do a check now, and if you have a update, install it, and then go ahead and test out your audio, and hopefully you are back up and running. If you're not, we're going to go to the next possible solution. All right, so you still have problems with your audio. Next thing we're going to try here is we're going to do a system restart going through these settings, okay? So grab your remote. We're going to go to the home screen, click on the home button on your remote. We're going to go all the way down to settings, move over to the right. Now we're going to go all the way down to system, and then go ahead and move over to the right. Then you want to go down to where it says system restart, move over to the right one more time, click on OK, and let it restart. Once it boots back up, test to see if you no longer have a black flashy screen. If you still do, we're going to go to the next possible solution. So the next possible solution, it's a possibility that your HDMI cable could be faulty, or perhaps you don't have an actual quality cable. Okay, I'll put a link below where you can actually get a good high quality cable, HDMI cable, in the link below. I'll link it to Amazon. Okay, unless you have another HDMI cable in your house that's high quality, you can try that out as well. Now, the last thing I have for you is a factory reset. If you perform a factory reset, basically once you're done with the factory reset, it'll be as if you just bought your Roku Streambar brand new and took it out of the box, and you have to proceed, go through all the entire settings, choosing your language, your Wi-Fi password, and so on. Anyway, to do that, simply click on your home button, and then we're going to go all the way down to settings. Now move over to the right, and now we're going to go all the way down to system. Right there, and then we're going to move over to the right, and then we're going to go down to advanced system settings. Where'd it go? Right there. Move over to the right, and there's factory reset. Move over to the right there, and they'll give you like a 4-digit code on your TV. Input that, click on OK. Give it like 1 to 2 minutes until it's done doing the factory reset. And also, you can also do a factory reset directly from the reset button on the back of the Roku Streambar as well. There's a button that says reset here. What you need to do is press and hold, and do not let go until you see the Roku logo, and then let go. If you just press it really fast and let go, it's only going to restart it. Okay, so pretty simple. So if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up. Let me know which step worked for you or which step you think worked for you. And if it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. We should see a large majority thumbs up. Okay, good luck, guys.